In this video, I'm going to compare the difference between an expert-level CNC machinist and a non-expert CNC machine operator. If you're a hiring authority and you never hire this type of worker, that's okay. This is just an example to better understand the skills alignment matrix. CNC machines themselves are very interesting. They can be used for mass production, and they can be used to make highly specialized parts. As a production machine, for example, they can be used to make hundreds of brackets that hold together an airplane wing. In other applications, CNC machines can be used to make one-off custom parts with the tightest of tolerances. An example would be a crucial part within a jet engine. Even though the same machine can do both, the people running it will be different. One will be a machine operator, the other will be a highly skilled machinist. A machine operator could pump out those brackets and learn to do so in a relatively short period of time. I could learn to do so in a relatively short period of time. Unskilled and semi-skilled work can be learned in days, weeks, and months. Expert-level work usually takes years. CNC machine operators are semi-skilled workers. On the skills alignment matrix, they live in the bottom right square. The work they do is structured, repetitive, task-oriented, and company process-driven. Giving credit where credit is due, machine operator work is necessary work. If their parts can hold an airplane wing together, their work is very important. CNC machinist work is quite different. They're given raw material, maybe it's an expensive block of metal, and it's their job to turn it into something special. Some may call it a work of art. If you had me do their work, even after months of training, I'm pretty sure I would turn that block of metal into a doorstop. CNC machinists are given raw material. They have to figure out how to mount that material onto their machine. They have a program, and they have to look over the program to make sure it's perfect. If it's not perfect, they have to oversee any changes. When they finish making a part, they have to measure everything to make sure tolerances are perfect. It's not an easy job. CNC machinists are unconventional experts. On the skills alignment matrix, they usually live in the middle box. They do work that's unstructured, complex, creativity-driven, strategy-dependent, and project-oriented. When hiring any type of skilled trade worker, think about the differences between CNC machinists and CNC machine operators. Build questions into your interview process that focus on the secret sauce. I have 2 websites for you, and I hope that you check them out. For more information on unconventional experts and the skills alignment matrix, go to cultureofexperts.com. For top recruitment services, go to humancastle.com. My name is Martin Hasslinger, and thank you.